my name's David. This video will show you the main features of Deskera Suite. I'm currently at the home screen, and we're going to mainly cover Deskera Books, Deskera Sales, and Deskera People. Let's start with Deskera Books. Now we're at the dashboard. Here you can see your sales, purchases, profit and loss, customer trends, vendor trends, product trends. If you look over at the left-hand side, you also see your sell, buy, pick, pack, ship, products, warehouse, contacts, reports, banks, accounting, apps, and your settings. Next, let's go to buy. Inside buy, we have our order, bills, and archived. We have our numbers, contacts, due date, total amount, goods received, and quick action. Under create new, we can create a new order, or we can go directly to new bills. Let's click new order. Inside here, I can add my contacts, add in a line item, input the quantity, change the unit price if required, input the discount, and I inputted 10 as just 10. It becomes a flat discount. If I put a percentage, it allows for percentage discounts. I can also check the box for unit price is tax inclusive. We can choose a number range. We can customize the number format, separator, display digits, separator, and suffix, and I can save. After saving, I can click on the three dots and edit it or delete it. We also have global custom fields, which we can select and add in additional information. We have multi-currency options, where I can change the currency accordingly and update currency, and then I can save. After saving, I can receive my goods, edit, attach, archive, or delete. I can also click on bill and auto-convert and auto-receive. If I click on receive goods, I can see the receiving quantity. I can update accordingly and receive, and my information shows partial. If I click on the three dots again and receive, you can see the quantity is reduced, and I can receive the amount. Now I've fully received. I can click on bill, I can go to bills, and now I can click on pay. Under pay, I can now select my currency. Do I want to pay in USD, or I want to pay in a different currency? Then I can select my bank transfer, reference number. I can see the conversion. I go next, and I can pay. Next, let's go to sell. In sell, you have your quote, invoices, and archived, number, contact, due date, total amount, fulfillment, and quick action. Under create new, you can create a new quote or a new invoice. Let's click new quote. I can select my contact, select my line item, hover over the quantity to see the available quantity, input the quantity in there. Again, I can apply a discount, a flat rate by inputting the number, or if I put a percentage, it'll be a percentage discount. I can also have unit price is tax inclusive. I can go here and manually input or select a number range. And again, I can customize number format, input global custom fields, and I have multi-currency options. After saving, I can convert directly to an invoice or convert and auto-fulfill. When I click fulfill, I have three options. I have direct, pick, pack, ship, and drop ship. If I click direct, I can fulfill the total quantity. I can convert to an invoice, and I can get paid. And I have received. Under accounting, you have your chart of accounts, journal entries, your opening balance, debit note, credit note, expenses, and deposit. Next, we have our reports. We have our profit and loss, balance sheet, cash flow, general ledger, trial balance, and statement of accounts. We have the statutorily required reports, depending on which country you log in. And we have our purchase reports, age payable, sales, age receivable, and we have our stock valuation report. And that was a quick look at Deskera Books. Next, let's go back to the home screen, and let's click on Deskera People. I'm here to show you how to add a pay run and process your payroll. So let's go and click Add Pay Run. Let's click Pay Schedule. Let's just check and review if all this information is correct. Then let's select the work period, the start date, and the end date. I'm applying. And now this is where I can make it applicable to all users, or I can select a specific user. For example, I only want this to apply to Eddie Williams. Then I click Process to Payroll. Inside here, I can see my employee, days, loss of pay, additional earnings, my deductions, such as my federal income tax, Social Security tax, and Medicare tax, my employer taxes, such as FUTA, Social Security tax, Medicare tax, and SUTA, and my net pay. If I click on the three dots, I'll be able to edit and delete it. Now let me click Next. Inside here, I can review the information, make sure it's all correct. And once I've done that, I can process payroll. So up here it says, to ensure accuracy, please review your payroll numbers and make sure they are all 100% correct. Do you wish to continue to process payroll? If all the information is correct, click yes. After that, if everything looks good, I can click finish. If I want to view the summary, I can view the summary here. And now it's finished and it's added here. Next, I can click view summary and see the information. And that was a quick look at Deskera People. Next, let's go and click on the home button here. And let's click on Deskera Sales. Inside here, we can see the sales dashboard. We can see our organizations, people, deals lost, deals won and lost deals based on month. We have our deals versus contacts, our contacts report, our top 5 deals won, contacts added, upcoming activities, done activities, open and won statistics, and deals by owner with deal stage. If you look over the left-hand side, you'll see the dashboard, deals, contacts, campaigns, assets, which contains your segments and your email templates, your activities, and your settings. And if we click on campaign, we can add a campaign. We can type in the campaign name. We can select a category or create a new category. I can choose my segment. Now you can select your email template. Click next. Put in your publishing time and date. And set. Sender name, sender email. And then you can schedule. After you schedule, you can go to campaigns. And you can see your scheduled campaigns and your published campaigns. And you can see how many have viewed them. Next, let's go deals. Inside deals, you can see your default pipeline. You can also add your own unique pipeline. You can create new stages, won stage, lost stage. You can also view your deals in a list view. And you can create your deals by clicking the plus sign up here or clicking up here, create deals. Then I can select the contact person. I can also select the organization and I'll update the contact person accordingly. I can select any sub-owner. I can select the visibility. So is it private, team, or everyone? I can input the amount. I can select the pipeline, and I can select the stage and the expected closing date, and I can save. After that, I can see my deal here, and I can click it. Now I've drilled into my deal. I can see the name, current stage, deal age, the owner, sub-owner, visibility. I can see create email, which will allow me to connect to my Gmail account or connect other IMAP. Or I can log an email and input the information here and log it. I can also create different activities. So if I click create activity, I can create a call, a meeting, a task, a deadline, an email, a lunch. I can put in the date, the time, the duration, any notes. I can assign it to someone. I can select the contact person, and I can select the organization. And then I can click the checkbox to send out invitation to attendees via email. After that, once I complete my activity, I can close it by clicking this. Next, we can input notes here, any type of information. And we can also see the log. If I go back to deals, I can see my deal here. And actually, I can drag it and drop it to where it is on the default pipeline or the customized pipeline if you're using that. And when I get here, I can either decide to drag and drop into closer 1, or I can drill in and click deal 1, and the deal will be closed. Once the deal is closed, the dashboard will be updated accordingly. So you'll see the deals, total won deals have increased. Deals versus contacts, you can see top 5 deals have changed. My open and won deal statistics, and my deals by owner with deal stages. And that is a quick look at Deskera Sales.